friends, welcome to the next episode of App Guide. In this episode, we will be solving problems on average ages. Okay, so let us go straight away to the questions. 23rd question is, in a class, the average age of 40 students is 16.2 years. Average age of 24 boys is 15 years. What is the average age of girls in the class? So in this question, they are telling that there are total 40 students in a class and the average age of 40 students is given. Okay, they have also given the average age of the total number of boys in the class. We need to find out the average age of the total girls in the class. Okay, so let us see how to solve this by shortcut method. So in the first step, write total number of students is equal to number of boys plus number of girls. What is the number of boys in the class? That is 24. So 24 plus what is the total number of girls? If total students are 40 and the number of boys is 24, then the total number of girls will be 40 minus 24, that is 16. So total number of boys plus total number of girls will be equal to the total number of students, that is 40. Okay. Now this is the first step. What is the average of 24 boys in the class? That is 50. That you write above this 24. What is the average of 40 students in the class? That is 16.2. That you write above this 40. Okay. Now we need to find out the average age of the girls. So above the 16 write X. Now you need to take either this 15 or this 16.2 as a reference value. Okay. Either of these averages you need to take it as a reference value. So here I am taking 16.2 as a reference value. So my reference value is 16.2. Okay. Now the next step is multiply this 24 by its difference and the reference value. Okay. That is 24 into 15 minus 16.2 plus this 16 into X is equal to this 40 into its average is 16.2 minus reference value. Okay. So this part will always become 0. So whichever part you are taking as the reference part, that part will become always 0. Okay. Now solve for this X. On solving this, you will get the value of X. Okay. So on solving this, you will get minus 28.8 plus 16X is equal to 0. So from this 16x is equal to 28.8 and x value will be equal to 1.8. Now we can easily find the average age of girls. Average age of girls will be equal to this x 1.8 plus the reference value, that is 16.2. So this is equal to 18. Hence the average age of girls in the class will be equal to 18 years. 24th question is, average age of 15 students in a class is 14 years. If the age of their teacher is also added, average age increases by 1. What is the age of teacher? So in this question they are telling that there are total 15 students in a class and the average age of 15 students is given. Now they are telling that if the age of their teacher is also added to the age of this 15 students, then the average increases by 1. Then we need to find out the age of teacher. Okay. So let us see how to solve this first. So there are 15 students in a class. If one teacher is getting added, then the total number of members are now 16. Okay. The average age of 15 students is given as 14 years, that you need to write above this 15. Okay. Now what is the average age of 16 members? When a teacher got added, the average increases by 1. Initially the average was 14. So now the average will be 14 plus 1, that is 15. Okay. We need to find the age of teacher. So write x above this 1. Now we need to take either this 14 or this 15 as a reference value. I am taking 15 as the reference value. Okay. Now multiply this 15 by the difference between its average and the reference value, that is 14 minus reference value is 15. Okay. Plus 1 into x is equal to this part will become 0. So here we need to write 16 into 15 minus reference value 15. So that part will be always 0. Okay. So this, on solving this, we will get the value of x. So this is minus 15 plus x is equal to 0. So from this, x value will be equal to 15. So this is the increase in the value. So what will be the age of teacher? Age of teacher will be equal to this 15 plus reference value, that is 15. So this will be equal to 30 years. So the age of teacher will be 30 years. The next question is, average age of 5 members of a family is 21 years. If the age of grandfather is included, the average age becomes 30 years. Then what is the age of grandfather? In this question, they are telling that there are 5 members in a family and their average age is given. Then they are telling that if the age of a grandfather is also included to these 5 members, then the average age becomes 30 years. Then we need to find out the age of grandfather. This is similar to that of the previous question. So there are initially 5 members in the family. When grandfather gets added, total number of members will be 6. Okay. The average age of 5 members is given as 21. That we need to write above this 5. We need to find the age of grandfather. So above this one we need to write x. Above this 6 we need to write the average age of 6 members. That is now 30. Now we need to take either 21 as the reference value or 30 as the reference value. So here let us take 21 as the reference value. Okay. So this part will become 0 plus 1 into x is equal to this 6 into multiply this 6 by the difference between its average value and the reference value. That is 30 minus 21. So x will be equal to 6 into 9. That will be equal to 54. Now this is the increase in the value. Hence the age of grandfather will be equal to this 54 plus the reference value. Now reference value is 21. Okay. So that will be equal to 75 years. Hence the age of grandfather is 75 years. The next question is, average age of all the students of a class is 15 years. Average ages of boys and girls are 17 and 12 years respectively. What is the number of boys in the class if number of girls are 36? So in this question we need to find out the number of boys in the class, where the number of girls is given as 36 but the total number of students in the class is not given. The average ages of total students is given and the average ages of total boys and total girls are also given. So let us see how to solve this. Let us consider the total number of students as T is equal to number of boys, let us consider as B, plus number of girls is 36. Now the average age of total student is given as 15. That let us write above this T. Now the average age of boys is given as 17 and the average age of girls is given as 12. Okay. We need to find out the number of boys. That means we need to find out the value of this B. Okay. So let us make this part 0. So in order to make this part 0, let us take 15 as the reference value. Okay. Then this part will become 0. That is T into its average is 15 minus reference value is 15. Okay. That is equal to B into its average is 17 minus reference value is 15 plus this 36 into its average is 12 minus reference value is 15. Okay. So this will be equal to 0. This is equal to B into 2 plus 36 into 12 minus 15 is minus 3. Okay. So on solving this we will get the value of B, or we will get the number of boys in the class. Okay. So 2B is equal to 36 into 3. So B value will be equal to 18 into 3, that is equal to 54. So the total boys in the class is 54. The next question is, average age of a man and his son is 30 years. The ratio of their ages is 7:3. What will be the ratio of their ages after 8 years? So in this question, they have given the average age of a man and a son as 30 years. Then they have given the ratios of their ages as 7:3. The ratio of the ages of man and son at present is given as 7:3. We need to find out the ratio of their ages after 8 years. Okay. So in the question we are having the average ages of the man and son. So we need to find out the average of the ratios of their ages. Okay. So what will be the average of the ratios of their ages? Average of two numbers will be sum of the numbers divided by 2. So the average will be 7 plus 3 divided by 2, that is 5. Okay. Now we can represent this 5 as this 30. If we can represent 5 as 30, what will be the value of 7? This value will give you the age of man at present. Okay. This we will get by cross multiplying. So the age of man at present will be 30 into 7 divided by 5. That will be equal to 42. In the similar way, we can find out the age of son at present. Age of son at present will be 30 into 3 divided by 5. That will be equal to 18. Now these are the ages of man and son at present. But we need the ratios of their ages after 8 years. Okay. If at present man's age is 42, then after 8 years his age will be 42 plus 8. That is 50. If at present son's age is 18, then after 8 years his age will be 18 plus 8. That is 26. Hence what will be the ratios of their ages? That will be equal to 25:13. Hence the ratio of the ages of man and son after 8 years will be 25:13. The next question is, average age of P and Q is 20. If P is replaced by R, the average becomes 19. And if Q is replaced by R, average becomes 21 years. Find the age of R. So in this question, first they are telling that average age of two persons P and Q is 20. Average means P plus Q by 2, that is equal to 20. If average is 20, then what will be the sum of the ages of P and Q? That will be equal to 20 into 2, that is 40. Okay. Then they are telling that if P is replaced by R, average becomes 19. This P is replaced by R. Okay. Then average is 19. If average is 19, what will be the sum? That will be equal to 19 into 2, that is equal to 38. Okay. Then they are telling that if Q is replaced by R, here, if Q is replaced by R, average becomes 21 years. Okay. P plus R is equal to, if average is 21, sum will be 21 into 2. That is equal to 42. We need to find out the age of R. Now by solving these three equations, we will get the value of R. So let us consider this as the first equation, this as the second equation, and this as the third equation. Okay. So first let us subtract the equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. Then we will get P plus Q minus R minus Q will be P minus R, that is equal to 40 minus 38 is 2. Okay. Now by solving this both equation, we will get the value of R. Okay. Now let us consider this as the fourth equation. Subtracting 3 and 4, we will get P plus R minus P plus R will be equal to 2R, that is equal to 42 minus 2 is 40. So from this R value will be equal to 20. Hence the age of R will be equal to 20 years. The next question is, average age of husband and wife 5 years ago was 25. Average of present ages of husband, wife and child is 21 years. What is the present age of child? So in this question, first they have given the average age of husband and wife 5 years ago as 25. Okay. Then let us assume the age of husband at present as H and the wife's percentage as W and child's percentage as C. Okay. If husband's present age is H, what will be his age 5 years ago? That will be H minus 5. and wife's age 5 years ago will be W minus 5. Okay, and their average ages 5 years ago is given as 25. If average is 25, what will be the sum? That will be equal to 25 into 2, that is equal to 50. Okay, so H plus W minus 10 is equal to 50, or we can write this as H plus W is equal to 60. Let us consider this as the first equation. Then they are telling that average of present ages of husband, wife and child is 21 years. Then H plus W plus C by 3. Average of 3 members will be sum of their ages by 3. That will be equal to 21. Hence, what will be the sum of H, W and C? That will be equal to 21 into 3. That is equal to 63. So, let us consider this as the second equation. Now, by solving this first equation and second equation, we will get the present age of child. Okay. See, here H plus W is 60. We can substitute this value in this equation. Okay. So, 60 plus C is equal to 63. So, from this C will be equal to 63 minus 6, that will be equal to 3 years. Hence, the present age of child will be 3 years. So, here finishes this part. I'll be back with other important problems on ages in the next part. Do watch it. If you felt this video helpful, like it, share it and subscribe it. Also press the bell button so that you get the notification when I am uploading new videos. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.